Have you ever noticed white stains on your bathroom tiles, dry skin after a shower, or appliances like geysers and washing machines failing too early? The hidden culprit is hard water. Now here's the big question many apartment residents ask. Should we install one common water softener for the entire apartment building, or an individual water softener for each flat? In this video, I'll break it down simply: what it is, how it works, pros, cons, cost, and whether it's right for your flat. Let's dive in.
First, let's quickly understand what hard water actually is. When rain falls and seeps through the ground, it picks up minerals, mainly calcium and magnesium, from rocks and soil. This mineral-rich water is what we call hard water. Now, what does this do to your home? In the bathroom, white scaling on taps and shower heads. In the kitchen, spots on your utensils and inside your kettle. In the laundry, clothes become stiff and lose their color. For your body, dry skin and rough, tangled hair. In India, hard water is extremely common. Cities like Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, and Hyderabad all have moderate to very hard water. Water hardness is measured in mg per liter or ppm. Anything above 120 mg per liter is considered hard, and most Indian apartments, they're sitting at 150 to 300 mg per liter. So the question isn't if you need a solution, it's which solution is right for you.
Let's talk about the common water softener system. Imagine your entire apartment building has one big water softener installed at the ground floor or basement, right where the main water line enters. Here's how it works. Hard water comes in, passes through a resin tank filled with tiny beads. These beads grab the calcium and magnesium minerals. The soft water then flows up to every flat in the building. Periodically, salt water cleans the resin beads. This is called regeneration. Now, what are the advantages? Number 1, cost sharing. Instead of one family paying 50,000 rupees, 40 families pay 10,000 rupees each. Number 2, professional installation and maintenance. The society can hire experts to handle everything. Number 3, it can handle large volumes. One system serves the entire building efficiently. But here's where it gets tricky: the disadvantages. First, getting everyone to agree. You need society meetings, votes, and consensus. This can take months. Second, usage disputes. If someone uses 10,000 liters and you use 3,000 liters, who pays more for maintenance and salt refills? This creates conflict. Third, single point of failure. If the system breaks down, everyone suffers. Fourth, you have zero control. You can't adjust settings for your specific needs. Let's talk costs. For a typical 10-floor building with 40 flats, equipment costs 3 to 6 lakh rupees. Installation 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees. Per flat contribution 8,750 rupees to 17,500 rupees one time. And monthly maintenance 250 rupees to 400 rupees per flat. Sounds reasonable, right? But only if everyone agrees and pays.
Now let's look at individual water softener for your flat only. This is a compact system installed inside your home, typically in the kitchen, bathroom, or utility area. It connects directly to your flat's water line and softens only the water you use. There are different sizes available: compact models that fit under your kitchen sink, cabinet-style units for larger families, and wall-mounted versions to save floor space. So what are the advantages here? Number 1, complete independence. You don't need anyone's permission. Your home, your decision. Number 2, install it today if you want. No society meetings, no waiting for consensus. Number 3, full control. Adjust the settings based on your water hardness and usage. Number 4, perfect for renters. When you move, take it with you. Number 5, if it breaks, Only you're affected, not the whole building. But let's be honest about the disadvantages. First, higher upfront cost for one family. You're paying 15,000 to 50,000 rupees alone, not splitting it. Second, space. You need to dedicate some space in your flat for the unit. Third, maintenance is your responsibility. You need to refill salt, clean it, and handle repairs. Fourth, not ideal for very large families or joint families using extremely high water volumes. Let's break down the costs. For a compact system, perfect for 2 to 4 people, equipment 15,000 to 25,000 rupees, installation 2,000 to 5,000 rupees, total initial cost 17,000 to 30,000 rupees. For a premium system, larger capacity, 5 to 6 people, equipment 30,000 to 50,000 rupees, installation 3,000 to 7,000 rupees, total initial cost 33,000 to 57,000 rupees. Monthly running cost 200 to 500 rupees. This includes salt refills and minimal electricity. Yes, it's more expensive up front than the shared cost, but you get instant results and total control.
All right, let's put them head to head and see which one wins in different categories. Number 1. Initial cost per flat. Common system, rupees 8,750 to 17,500. Individual system, rupees 17,000 to 57,000. Winner? Common system. It's definitely cheaper up front. 2. Installation time. Common system, 2 to 6 months. Meetings, approvals, contractor. Individual system, 1 to 2 days. Winner? Individual system. You can have soft water this week. 3. Control and customization. Common system, 0 control. Society decides everything. Individual system, complete control. Your water, your settings. Winner? Individual system. You're the boss. 4. Maintenance hassle. Common system, society or management handles it. Individual system, you handle it yourself. Winner? Common system. Less personal responsibility. 5. Space requirement. Common system, no space needed in your flat. Individual system, you need 1 to 2 square feet. Winner? Common system, especially important for small flats. 6. Best for renters. Common system, not suitable, you can't take it with you. Individual system, perfect, pack it up when you move. Winner? Individual system, no question. 7. Portability. Common system, impossible to move. Individual system, completely portable. Winner? Individual system. So, as you can see, each option has its strengths.
So which option should you choose? Let me make it super simple. Choose individual water softener if you're renting and might move in a few years. Like Priya here. She's a young professional renting in Bangalore. She needs soft water now, not after 6 months of society meetings. Individual softener? Perfect fit. Or if you own your flat but your society is uncooperative, meet Rajesh. He owns his flat, but getting 40 families to agree? Impossible. So he installed his own system. Problem solved in 2 days. Or if you simply want immediate results and full control. Choose common water softener if you own your flat and your society is cooperative, like the Sharmas here. They live in a well-managed building. The society committee is active, residents trust each other, they collectively installed a common system and split the cost. Everybody wins. Or if your building already has a functional system and you just need to join. Still confused? Here's a simple flowchart. Are you a renter? Yes, go individual. If no, will your society agree? No, go individual. If yes, can you wait 3 to 6 months? No, go individual. If yes, go common. See, it's actually quite clear once you know your situation.
Before you make your final decision, here are 5 golden tips. Tip number 1. Test your water first. Don't guess. Get it tested. A lab test costs 500 to 1,000 rupees, or buy a home testing kit for 200 rupees. Know your exact hardness level before buying anything. Tip number 2, choose the right capacity. A 2-person household needs about 500 liters per day. A 4-person family, around 1,000 liters per day. Buy accordingly. Don't overpay for excess capacity. Tip number 3, don't compromise on quality. Cheap water softeners break down quickly. Stick to trusted brands like Org or Ion Exchange. They cost more, but they last. Tip number 4, get professional installation. Don't try DIY unless you're a plumber. Poor installation leads to leaks, low pressure, and costly repairs. Spend 2,000 to 5,000 rupees on a pro. It's worth it. Tip number 5, budget for maintenance. Salt refills, 250 to 400 rupees per month. Annual servicing, 1,000 to 2,000 rupees. Factor this into your decision. Follow these tips, and you'll make a smart, long-lasting choice.
So there you have it. Common water softener, great if your society cooperates and you want to save money. Individual water softener, perfect if you need immediate results, full control, or if you're a renter. Both solve the hard water problem. Your choice depends on your situation, budget, and timeline. Now, I want to hear from you. Which option are you leaning towards? Common or individual? Drop a comment below and let me know your biggest concern. If this video helped you make a decision, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you want more home solution videos like this, and ring that bell so you never miss an upload. Share this with your society WhatsApp group. Trust me, someone needs to see this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, enjoy your soft water. Bye.